welcome to John's Box, my YouTube channel, and to another edition of Civil Aircraft of the World, of course Civil Aircraft of Yesteryear. This is the third part. Well, we'll be looking at 19 airliners, wide bodies, narrow bodies, 4 engines, 3 engines, 2 engines, turboprops, pistons, aerials, you name it. Of yesteryear rather. Some of them in actual fact are still in active service, some to a limited degree, and some are simply on display and you'll never see them in the air again. I ought to mention, if you haven't seen the previous editions, that it's all based on this book by the Japanese man Hiroshi Seo, published in 1981. I bought this book such a long time ago, back then, over 40 years ago, and you'll see some beautifully illustrated aircraft. That's the IL-18 there, for that time. Fantastic photography. Well, the Japanese were masters at that. They had the cameras as well, didn't they? There you have it. And the photos you see are out of that book. I'm also going to be featuring some video clips of the airliners, and also you'll find a fact sheet, something like this here as an example, which you can simply freeze. It shows you the first flight, when introduced, how many produced, when produced, and any sort of footnotes and how many are in operation. You can of course freeze it each time you get to that part. So without further ado, sit back and relax in your seat and enjoy. comment, and do the usual YouTube, other YouTube stuff. I'll be back again soon. I won't wait 18 months for the next edition. It will be maybe in the next month or two. So thanks again for viewing, and see you again in another one of my videos on John's Box. Bye for now.